Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This meditation is designed to align your energy, restore balance, and open you to the healing frequencies within the universe. Let's begin. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in and release. Feel the earth beneath you. Imagine roots extending from your body into the ground, anchoring you, stabilizing you. You are safe. Now, breathe in light through your nose. Exhale stress through your mouth. Each inhale fills you with pure, healing energy. Each exhale clears away tension and negativity. Feel your body becoming lighter. Visualize a column of light descending from above, flowing into the crown of your head. This light carries the healing frequencies of the universe. It flows into every cell, every organ, every thought. You are being recharged. Now feel your body as pure vibration. Every cell, every atom is energy. Visualize each chakra glowing, aligning, and harmonizing. Repeat silently, I am aligned. I am whole. I am healed. Again, I am aligned. I am whole. I am healed. Now rest. No effort, just being. Allow the healing frequencies to settle in your system. Feel peace, feel wholeness, feel lightness. Take a deep breath in and release. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this healing energy with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this journey. This is Soul Sanctuary.